Hi everyone, welcome back to our 101 poems series, poems written by author of Manipur. I'm taking a break. I completed 15 miles of cycling today and I am standing in front of a log house. This is really old and historical, as you can see here. People are cycling in this trail. This is called CNO. The poem which I'm going to recite is called Dream Turned into Stone, and I am on poem number 12, Dream Turned into Stone. It's written by Sorokkhaibam Gambhini. She is in Tripura right now. It's translated from Meitei Lol Manipuri language, originally written by Sorokkhaibam Gambhini, and it's translated by Tayengjam Bijoykumar Singh. A dream turned into stone is sitting, with its hand around knees, leaning against the hillside wall. A drop of tears is falling down from the sky on the cheek of time, resting on the pillow of Mahakal, the greatest time of death. We had fallen asleep, slowly awoke again, only to fall asleep again. The dream, turned into stone, is still sitting, with its hand around knees, still sitting, leaning against the hillside wall. So let me know what you think about this poem. It's a poem written by Sorokkhaibam Gambhini, and it's been translated in English by Tayengjam Bijoykumar Singh. Alright, so just have a look around. You can see a lot of people have come out today. And this is the lodge, and you can see the trail in front. Thank you. Bye-bye. Keep tuning in.